Baek, who was elected as the President of Myanmar on April 3, 2026? Answer: Min Aung Hlaing. Do. In February 2026, who was appointed as the interim Prime Minister of Bulgaria? Answer: Andrei Gurov. 3. Which former Canadian governor of the Bank of England became the Prime Minister of Canada in early 2026? Answer: Mark Carney. 4. Who was appointed as the new Supreme Leader of Iran in March 2026 following the death of Ali Khamenei? Answer: Mojtaba Khamenei. 5. Sanai Takaichi was reappointed as the Prime Minister of which country in February 2026? Answer: Japan. 6. Who was sworn in as the Prime Minister of Nepal in March 2026 after a landslide victory? Answer: Balendra Shah. 7. Which leader was elected as the Prime Minister of Thailand in February 2026? Answer: Anutin Charnvirakul. 8. In January 2026, who took office as the President of Switzerland? Answer: Guy Parmelin. 9. Who became the first woman to be elected as the President of the International Olympic Committee (IOC) in 2026? Answer: Kirsty Coventry. 10. Which political party won a 2/3 majority in the Bangladesh general elections held in February 2026? Answer: Bangladesh Nationalist Party (BNP). 11. Who took charge as the 53rd Chief Justice of India (CJI) in late 2025/early 2026? Answer: Justice Surya Kant. 12. Who was appointed as the new Chairman and Managing Director (CMD) of Power Grid effective April 1, 2026? Answer: Burra Vamsi Rama Mohan. 13. In March 2026, who was appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, replacing Kavinder Gupta? Answer: Vinay Kumar Saxena. 14. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of RAW, Research and Analysis Wing in 2026? Answer: Parag Jain. 15. Who was elected as the Vice President of India in early 2026? Answer: C.P. Radhakrishnan. 16. Who was appointed as the new Chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) in early 2026? Answer: Tuhin Kanta Pandey. 17. In February 2026, who was appointed as the Chairman of GIFT City, Gujarat International Finance Tech City? Answer: Uday Kotak. 18. Who was appointed as the Director General of the National Investigation Agency (NIA) in January 2026? Answer: Rakesh Agarwal. 19. Who took over as the new Vice Chief of the Air Staff in early 2026? Answer: Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. 20. Who was appointed as the Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) in 2026? Answer: Ajay Kumar. 21. Who was appointed as the Group CEO of Eternal Limited, Blinkit, in January 2026? Answer: Albinder Singh Dhinsa. 22. Which Indian cricketer was appointed as the brand ambassador for the inaugural Delhi Khel Mahakumbh in February 2026? Answer: Shikhar Dhawan. 23. Who was appointed as the CEO of Microsoft Gaming Xbox division in February 2026? Answer: Asha Sharma. 24. In early 2026, who was appointed as the President and Vice Chairman of Meta? Answer: Dina Powell McCormick. 25. Who was appointed as the MD and CEO of Yes Bank in February 2026? Answer: Vinay Murlidhar Tonse. 26. Who was appointed as the Managing Director and CEO designate of Tata Communications in January 2026? Answer: Ganesh Lakshmi Narayanan. 27. Who is the first woman to manage a professional men's football team in Germany, FC Ingolstadt 04, as of March 2026? Answer: Sabrina Whitman. 28. Which Indian fast bowler was appointed as the brand ambassador for Uniqlo's Life Wear campaign in March 2026? Answer: Jasprit Bumrah. 29. Who was appointed as the head coach of the Indian women's football team in 2026? Answer: Amelia Valverde. 30. Who was appointed as the director of the BRIC National Centre for Cell Science NCCS, Pune in April 2026? Answer: Thomas Bookadile.